Svr, I got here at the perfect time. It's on my station, too. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Robeson County and southeastern North Carolina until 8 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lumber, or 2 miles south of St. Paul's, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Wind damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include St. Paul's and Lumberton. Move to a lowest floor of a sturdy building as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly.
None of my radio's activated for
Warning
this.
has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county in North Carolina.
Because I had them all off. Alright. We are here to interrupt your program as WTBN's viewing area is me.
weather. We will now turn your weather station on. So,
Bruh.
yeah. Thank you for listening to
Here
WTBN Broadcast of the Lumbies.
Hey, WXL50's on. None of my radios are on, by the way.
This includes Interstate 95 in North Carolina between mile markers 1 and 16.
None of them.
If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building.
That's all light.
Here are the 4 p.m.
that's crazy.
observations in Lumberton.